What up, guys? On this video, let me teach you how to manage your trades, because I'm not always gonna tell you to close your trades or to manage your trades. You see, um so as you can see, I'm on a trade. I'm on a trade right now. For now, let's focus on CAD chef. um as you can see, I'm on a trade, and I also gave this signal on the premium group. So for now, we're just waiting for a nice perfect signal. Yeah, waiting for nice signal. So guys, to manage a trade, as you can see, I'm on a trade. So what you have to do now, I have to lock this trade, so it becomes a risk-free trade. You see, so I have to go to my tools and then choose a horizontal line like this, and then tab and move up and down. You see, tab hold and move this thing up and down. You see, so now I have to log on my profit at break even. You see, even if it's here, it's fine. Then if you have placed your stop loss here, and then other trade you want to place your stop loss around here, and then another trade you want to place your stop loss here. You see, what you're going to do is to tab and hold this horizontal line, edit it, and then copy these points. Copy, done. And then modify your trade, and then hold and paste, and then modify. As you can see, the stop loss moved to a break even. You see, so same applies to other trade. You just copy, modify, paste. You see, this is what you have to do when you on a trade, cause things like the Nasdaq, if you don't lock your profit, guys, you can sleep on a profit and then wake up on a huge lose. You see, and you can wake up your account gone. You see, guys, so I advise you to always check your trade, modify your trade. If you see a trade like this, at least lock your profit. You see, at least lock your profit, and then you know if the market goes against you, and then it will hit the stop loss, you have lost you lost nothing, and then you have won nothing. You see, this becomes a risk-free trade. You see, guys, so if you don't understand how to manage your trade, so okay, another thing I almost forgot, when you enter your trades, don't use, if you want to use a 0,2, don't use exactly 0,2, just use 0,01 times 2. You see, if you want to close, as you can see here, I'm on a profit. I have closed other trades. You see, so at least if you close 50%, at least you close 50% of your trades, and then the rest you just have to lock a profit like this. You see, then if you have two trades, then I think you have to close one and lock a profit only one trade. You see, if you don't understand, you can inbox me, ask if what you don't understand, then I'll see what to do.